Good morning. Today we'll be looking at the directive principles versus fundamental rights. So the fundamental rights are legal rights guaranteed to individuals for their protection and liberty, whereas the DPSPs are guidelines to the state to establish a just society. Part 3 of the Constitution is from Article 12 to 35, whereas Part 4 is from Article 36 to 51. Nature is justiciable, enforceable by courts. Non-justiciable are DPSPs, which are not enforceable by courts. Fundamental rights protect individual rights and freedom, whereas DPSP promote welfare of people and social justice. Fundamental rights are negative duty on the state, whereas DPSP are positive duty on the state to take action for public welfare. Fundamental rights are inspired by the US Bill of Rights, whereas DPSPs are inspired by the Irish Constitution. Fundamental rights are individual centric, whereas DPSPs are society and state centric. Fundamental rights, a person can directly approach court under Article 32, whereas DPSPs cannot be enforced in courts. Fundamental rights include right to equality, right to freedom, right to life. DPSP include equal pay for equal work, uniform civil code, free legal aid. Fundamental rights can be amended but cannot violate the basic structure. DPSP can be modified by the Parliament easily. Key cases highlighting the relationship: Champakam Dorairajan vs. State of Madras. Fundamental rights prevail over DPSPs in case of conflict. It led to the first constitutional amendment 1951 to protect reservation laws. Keshavananda Bhati vs. State of Kerala. Harmony should be maintained between fundamental rights and DPSPs. Fundamental rights form the basic structure, but DPSPs are also fundamental in governance. Minerva Mills vs. Union of India 1980. There must be a balance between fundamental rights and DPSPs. Part 3 are fundamental rights, Part 4 are DPSPs are equally important. Conclusion: fundamental rights are individual rights you can demand and enforce in court. DPSPs are moral and political directives meant to shape policies. The Indian Constitution seeks harmony between the two to create a just and equitable society.